Alright, here's Methuselah. The camera would focus. But yeah, there was meant to be step by step how to do everything, what you would all need, but in the description below, I will have everything that you would need and what animal parts and what you need to do all this, and what colors you would need. But these are just regular paint that I got from Walmart, and you can get these at any craft store too. But yeah, let's get started. Now right here I am using an airbrush to put the prime on the figure, but you can use a brush if you do not have an airbrush. I am using a dark gray color for Methuselah's skin. I am just using brown to do the mud and dirt that is on Methuselah, but I will also be using a paper towel to wipe the paint so it will get into the cracks and crevices of the figure to bring out some more of the little details that you see right here. Right here I am using a forest green type color to give him the illusion of grass and trees on his back. Right here I am using a light gray color to bring out the rocks that's on his back. I'm using just plain white to do the eyes. Right here I am just using MAC Varnish for a clear coat so the paint won't rub off while I am using it. And here we go, we have Titanus Methuselah. I hope everybody enjoyed the video and likes how it turns out. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want me to do more like this, hit the subscribe button. And I'll catch y'all next time.